Hi, I'm Jody. I'm the inventor of the SafeConnect Plus product line, and I'm very excited because we have just now newly improved this product, the Stayb0lizer. The Stayb0lizer is an oxygen product with over 240 specific frequencies encoded into the molecular structure of the product, but we've increased that with some very specific frequencies that we need during these days. You've noticed that around the globe in the last 2 years, we've had a real issue with viral invaders. And so we really looked into what we could do, what frequencies we could add to support and balance the body and increase the biophoton field. We did that through adding very specific frequencies into the Stayb0lizer, and now we have a brand new formula that we're really excited to release to the general public. Oxygen is really important. As a matter of fact, in 1931, a Nobel Prize winner by the name of OTTO WARBURG discovered that with just a decrease of 35% oxygen in the blood, that cancer cells could form. And he also discovered that cancer cells are anaerobic. That means they can live without any oxygen. However, in high levels of oxygen, they cannot survive. So by increasing the levels of oxygen in the body and in the blood, we can see a decrease of many things, not just what I just mentioned, but also viruses, bacteria, fungal forms, microorganisms that can live in a low level of oxygen within the blood cells, and we want to increase that. So, therefore, to help support the body and the immune system, we came up with a wonderful formula encoded right into the Stayb0lizer. Yay! And we're releasing it now just for you. For more information, visit safeconnectplus.com and check out all the benefits of taking Stayb0lizer Plus. Thank you.